Here we are, the Basters Classic 3.0. I'm not saying Basters with an S, not a D. Basters. Basters Classic 3.0. 3 in a boat. Fish for hot chocolate, even though it's 85 degrees and sleeveless in November.
Crocs with no socks.
Crocs with no socks. Sleeveless in November. The red beacon light's gonna chase all the fish away because the water's clear. So it's Jimbo against the hammer against me. I'm gonna stay in the back. I'm just gonna be a non-boater and co-angler. I'm sorry, we don't want to refer to non-boater because that's a negative connotation, like you don't own a boat so you got to get in the back. I own a boat, it just don't run very well. So stay tuned and keep a lookout for what's going on with that. But I'm going to show you how to catch them on a jig with the chesty on once I get it on. Oh yeah, sorry we're not at the Meals on Reels, but at a whopping 36.2 miles an hour, it's hard to cover the river the way we like to cover the river, hitting 20, 30 spots when you're only going 37. So we'd end up driving more than we'd end up fishing, and we like to try to fish more than what we drive. It's my retirement lesson right there. Sleeping in an abandoned boat. Uh-oh. Gotta be careful with these style boats, Joe, when you end up with a boat like this. The latches catch the rods better than the rods catch the fish. All right, that sounds like a deal. Whoever gets the first keeper fish in a boat wins a firm, crisp high five.
Fishing is gonna work.
What was that? That's what I told Skip to throw. I'm sure they were finessing these fish. Clear water, leak. What's the water temp, Jim? 100? Ooh, that sounds.
55, man. 55.
What is it?
55.
55-degree water temperature in November. And it's raining. Shouldn't have to finesse them. I'm going big. Going for the big jig. Sorry, boys. Go big or stay home, they say. And if I knew it was going to rain, I probably would have stayed home. I'm not prepared for the rain.
Nothing.
Yeah, got nothing except my Team Morgan jacket. Says I've been waiting all week for this. Yeah, we can't just keep doing this, right? I mean, I can. I got a jacket on. What?
I was looking at the radar too. It's like, stop at 1 o'clock.
Yeah, 1, 2 o'clock.
And like 12 is gonna get like heavy.
What time is it now?
9:49.
Oh. This was not supposed to happen. Yeah, now it's raining until 1.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
No kidding.
And between 11:45 and 12:45, it's supposed to be like 4.
Oh no shit.
Yeah,
And that's when
yeah,
that's time.
yeah. Yeah. All my raincoats are back in the other room.
Right.
What else? Why would it be anything else? 75 to 80 degrees, 3 days in a row at work,
Yes.
and yesterday, and today, damn it. So we're gonna tie up to the wall right there, Joe. We're just gonna keep casting that one.
Catch any yet?
For the next 3 hours.
No, I haven't even gotten bit, but that's no surprise for me.
That's either.
Got him?
Got Bud Light?
Got him? you got?
Don't lose them. Oh, don't lose them. Come here. Nice. How deep did you catch him? He feels a little tight.
Basically right against the wall, but out more.
Up against the wall, but out more?
Well, I tapped it over there, and it's probably around halfway to the wall.
He feels cold. You're not the first one to catch him, son.
Ugh.
You should measure him, see if he's a keeper. He's not going to make it. Go ahead, grab him.
He's freezing.
He is cold, isn't he?
Was it check to open up that compartment? Did the blue is still
Hey, Joey got one.
right there?
Now, tell us how expertly you made this happen. What bait did you catch it on? A melon pepper tube?
What size weight?
How big is it?
Not 15.
What's 15 right on the blue line?
It's got to be, see where that white arrow is? Yeah. So no
14 and a
high five
halfer?
No high five.
Low for
you.
Chris high. I don't know, you get at least a little fist bump. All right, there you go, little fist bump.
Yeah.
Well,
Nice, Joe. Way to be persistent. We got no rain gear. Rain was not in the forecast. Supposed to be 75 degrees. And it's 50 and raining. Uh-oh, he does have one. He said he found one. How big is it? Does it feel like a giant? It doesn't look like it's bending the rod very big. Think it's a keeper? All right. Maybe I'm throwing the wrong color. Can't put this on film, no? This is the secret spot.
Put them in the box.
If you want. Don't spook the school.
Get a couple of them.
Get some pictures of you and Joseph,
God, that's
maybe?
cool.
They are cold.
No bite.
No bite, just got heavy.
Joe, put that down on auto.
Wait, should I give you a good or high five?
Oh, the firm crisp high five. There it is. You know why? Because the tide just turned on. All right, here it is, what, November 5th? Sunday, November 5th. Air temperature is around 64. Water temperature right now is 57.3 on the surface. It's overcast, been raining. Tide is just now starting to go out. We're on a rather high tide, and the tide's just starting to go out.
You got our first keep.
Rondout barge, right. See, now I can remember this next year. We can be like, oh, what was it? Remember the time we caught like 47 fish on the barge? Like, what was water temperature? You know, it's, I don't know, was it clear? It was like in the 50s. I don't remember.
All I remember it rained that day.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
You knew that. Yeah. I thought the large one first. And they feel.
Oh. They're acting a lot colder than what the water temperature is representing, aren't they? You weren't the first one to catch him. All right, that concludes the 42nd running of the Bastards Classic. Jimmy, that guy,
Me.
he was the big winner. I might have had a winner in a chicken dinner, maybe. I could have had a winner. And then Joey over there, he was a strong second place, because you know, he at least caught a non-keeper, right? 5 hours and 52 minutes it says we fished. But I don't think we fished 5 hours. I think we hit under the bridge for 3 hours. And yeah, and then that's it. Yep, that's all there is to it. That's it, yep.
Bada
Signing
bing, bada
out.
boom.
Bada bing, bada boom. Maybe next time. I guess I gotta buy Jimmy hot chocolate.